Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the topic new partition sign conventions for spherical mirrors. Sign conventions. Sign conventions means sign means positive or negative, and convention means some rules for taking the measurements as positive or negative. So when we are dealing with the reflection of light by spherical mirrors, we have to follow some rules for the measurement of distance of image from the mirror, distance of object from the mirror, height of image from the axis, and height of image from the axis. So what are these rules? Let us discuss. Before discussing the rules of sign conventions for spherical mirrors, we have to review a topic of maths in which you have studied the coordinate system. There are two axes in any coordinate system. The horizontal axis is known as x-axis and vertical axis is known as y-axis. This is plus y, this is negative y, this is plus x, and this is minus x. And where the two axes meet is known as origin, denoted by O. In this system, all the measurements in the right of the origin are taken as positive, and in the left of the origin are taken as negative. Similarly, above the x-axis all measurements are taken as positive, and below the x-axis all measurements are taken as negative. Our sign conventions for spherical mirrors are similar to this coordinate system. Now let us discuss the sign conventions for spherical mirror. Consider a principal axis and a concave mirror. This principal axis is work as a x-axis. ये हमारी क्या है? प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, और ये किसका वर्क करेगी? दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल एक्सिस इज वर्क एज अ x-axis. Pole of the mirror work as a origin. क्लियर? मिरर का जो पोल है वो किसका वर्क करेगा? ओरिजिन का वर्क करेगा. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट द y-axis or vertical axis, where it can be drawn? So perpendicular to the x-axis at origin, clear? This is our y-axis. Now, the first rule is the object is always placed at the left side of the mirror. You have studied the image formation by concave mirror and convex mirror. In all the cases, you see that object is always placed at the left side of the mirror. This is our object A, B. So, what is the distance of the object from the mirror? All distances are measured from the pole of the mirror. Any measurement parallel to the principal axis is measured from the pole of the mirror. So this is the distance of the object from the mirror, and this is the left side of the origin, so this is always negative. Distance of object कैसी है? नेगेटिव. If image is formed on the right side of the mirror, then all the distances in the right of the object, in the right of the mirror are taken as positive. Height of object, the measurement above the principal axis are taken as positive because y axis ऊपर की x axis के ऊपर y कोऑर्डिनेट कैसा होता है? पॉजिटिव, और x axis के नीचे y कोऑर्डिनेट कैसा होता है? नेगेटिव. अगर डिस्टेंस हम नीचे की तरफ मेजर करेंगे हाइट, देन ये कैसी होगी? नेगेटिव होगी. यही इसके रूल्स हैं. मींस अगर आपकी इमेज मिरर के फ्रंट ऑफ द मिरर बन रही है तो इमेज भी आपकी इसी साइड होगी, तो इमेज डिस्टेंस भी कैसी होगी? आपकी नेगेटिव होगी. ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस भी कैसी होगी? नेगेटिव होगी. हाइट ऑफ इमेज, हाइट ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट, अगर ऑब्जेक्ट की हाइट तो हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगी. क्यों? क्योंकि ऑब्जेक्ट हमेशा प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के ऊपर ही होता है. लेकिन इमेज अगर आपकी प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के नीचे बन रही है, मींस इन्वर्टेड इमेज बन रही है, तो उसकी हाइट हम नेगेटिव लेंगे. और अगर इमेज हमारी प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के ऊपर बन रही है तो उसकी हाइट हम पॉजिटिव लेंगे. ठीक है, तो ये कुछ रूल्स हैं जो हमको फॉलो करने होते हैं व्हेन वी आर डीलिंग विद द रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट by spherical mirrors. Now see the uses of concave mirror and convex mirror. First use of concave mirror is in torches, searchlights and headlights of vehicles. Because the concave mirror is a converging mirror, so it is used in these devices. It converts the light at a place. Second use is to see large image of face as shaving mirror. The mirror used at the shop of barber is a concave mirror because it enlarges the image of the face. Third use is it is used by dentist. Dentist use the concave mirror to see the large image of the teeth. And the fourth use is concave mirror is used to focus sunlight in solar cooker. In solar cooker, concave mirror is used to converge the sun rays at a point which increases the temperature of the device. Now the use of convex mirror is it is mainly used in rear view mirror in vehicles. The mirror used by the driver to see the rear image is convex mirror. It is used in rear view mirror because it gives an erect image and the area covered by the convex mirror has wider field. So these are the uses of concave mirror and convex mirror.